Hey, it's Gooch. You know what? We're here in Edmonton. What a great day. Unbelievably sunny with my good buddy Aaron Moser. Aaron, we're doing a great event here. One of those crazy things that we always do.
For sure. I tell you, it's when you and me get together, whether we're in Vegas, whether we're in Edmonton, we do it big and we do it with a lot of fun.
Well, we just lived Hangover 2 in Las Vegas. We got an opportunity to see some great things. The awards were fantastic. The only thing that's going to be missing, we're just as exciting as the awards. We're just not going to have Snoop Doggy do the opening.
Yeah, that's for sure. But on the same note, they're not going to be on a racetrack where cars are going to be whipping by and they don't have the opportunity to get up and close and personal with these vehicles.
Well, and you know, you've said something. This is a one-of-a-kind event. Though we're looking at doing it again next year. There's a first annual. Edmonton Northland's been gracious to give us the course. But that's really cool. You can go somewhere. You mentioned about some of the events that this is unique.
Yeah, for sure. I mean, you can only go to so many golf tournaments, so many dinners till you're just bombarded with the same thing. And with something like this, I mean, there's also runs and walks, but this one is completely original. It's a great opportunity, and I mean, I'll be out there, and if I could run it, I would.
Well, we're going to hope to get you there. That's the goal of all this, of course, raise funds for the opportunity of bringing guys like yourself out of the chair. Tell us a little bit about having an event like this. You hear in the background a plane, for God's sake. So we talked about cars, but this also planes take off from this runway.
Yeah, for sure. I mean, how often you get to see a race car and a private jet at the same time? I mean, who knows who's landing here, and maybe you'll get some celebrities landing and check out Brad Pitt, eh?
Exactly.
You never know.
Well, we look kind of like Brad Pitt now. You mentioned it. Okay, to wrap it up, I'll tell you what a great day. We had a great event, but as important, we need to make a call out, of course, to come and enjoy a great day at the track, help the Aaron Moser Foundation, of course, but as important, we're also helping Glenrose.
Yeah, for sure. I was the recipient of 5 months of the Glenrose hospitality, and it's extremely important to individuals after they suffer a traumatic injury like a spinal cord injury, and they're the ones that teach you all about what's going to happen, and they get you prepared for when you go back home and enter the real world.
All right, the way you enter this is you go to, on that little web, you know, when you look inside there, it's called www.lapthetrackEDM.com, where you can not only be a participant, but you also can pledge funds. And that's been a really neat idea. Everybody, you know, you can come on. You don't even have to show up. Just help us.
Yeah, for sure. I mean, if you don't like running or walking or checking out the cars, for sure, donate some money and make yourself feel good.
All right, Aaron, I saw that you beat me on our little race, so I'll tell you what, I'm going to start getting in shape, and I'm going to be a little bit quicker and a little better shape in 3 weeks.
Well, you better be in very good shape because I'm going to get the old nitro boosters on this baby, and I don't think your arms are going to be that big.
All right, Aaron, thanks, buddy.